birds have formed a pattern which is called as settlement pattern. Now, please understand something very important. Suppose in the entire area only one house is there, entire grid, only one house, it is called isolated settlement pattern. If there are more than one house, they are away from each other, you call it by the name dispersed, or you can also call it by the name scattered settlement pattern. Now here you see all the houses are close to each other. You call it by the name nucleated, and the last one in a line we call it linear settlement pattern. Look at this carefully. Only one house here, so this is isolated. More than one house away from each other, this is scattered. Houses are close to each other, so this is nucleated, also called compact. It is also called clustered. So actually we can use here three different words. Okay, compact, it is called compact. It is also called clustered type of settlement. And finally, houses in a straight line, we call it by the name linear. So how does it exactly appear? So look here. Isolated means here entire area, only one house. See this, entire area, only one house, isolated. Look here, so big plateau. Here how many houses? One house, isolated. So this is called isolated. Now look here, houses are there, away from each other. This is dispersed. This is nucleated, and this one are in a straight line. This is linear settlement pattern. Can you identify this one here, this pattern?
Dispersed.
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 Lunol,
Clustered.
Nucleated.
yeah, nucleated, or you can also use word clustered. Your answer is correct. This one here,
Linear.
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 very good. See linear, how they exactly appear. See this. This is also linear. See, this is also linear. Okay. Now, who will stay in this house?
Nobody.
Nobody. In other words, they will desert this house. Desert का मतलब हो गया deserted house. That means abandoned house. What word I used? Abandoned. So people have left such house. We call it by the name deserted hut or abandoned house or hut. What is the symbol of this one? You will see a cross sign here. Do you notice here near this word Ranavas?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, near this Nani Bhatemal, do you see cross sign? इसका मतलब this is deserted town or deserted house. Look here, this is also. Now, you think in this houses people will be living in this settlement here?
No,
Yes.
sir.
No.
No, this is also deserted or abandoned house. Is the point clear, everyone?
Yes.
Okay. Here, what is the problem with this Preeti Matthews? Every time everybody is able to join. Preeti ma'am, you are there. Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes.
Then why you write down unable to join?
I joined now only. I could not join the.
Ah, okay. Chalo. Now only very intelligent people will be able to answer. Okay. Now, who will tell me here this is abandoned? See this cross sign. Do you see a cross sign here?
Yes, sir.
Ah. Can you tell me why people must have abandoned this place?
So flooding.
The water, due to the
Yes. Or
excess
maybe
water
notice
coming.
here there is a dam. Do you notice a dam?
Yes, sir.
Ah, so there can be flooding. Yes, so better people run away from such a place to save the life. Okay, very good. Now, stony waste means actually waste. Now, these stones are of no use, so we call it stony waste. Now, look at this. It is already written. Look at this black line. This is called railway line. Now, look at this. It is already written here, railway line. Now, please look for the word RS. Do you notice here RS is written?
Yes, sir.
This RS stands for railway station. Okay. Now, okay, RS means railway station. And now I want you to look at this particular symbol. Very interesting. See this. Do you notice here something? This. See
Yes,
there.
sir.
There is one, two, three. So many of them are there. This is called cutting with tunnel or tunnel. Cutting with tunnel or tunnel, whatever you pronounce. Now, what is it? Now, look at this tunnel. Do you notice a tunnel over here? Yeah. How they must have made it? By cutting the mountain. So, this kind of structure is called as cutting with tunnel. This is also cutting with tunnel. See, this is Ooty area. Okay, you can actually see a cutting with tunnel. Have you understood everything?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now look at this interesting. Now, do you notice here main power line? See this main power line. It is shown with black line with a black color circle which is shaded. Okay. Parallel to this, you find another. See this. Do you notice black line but circle is there but the circle is empty. That means we have two types of power line. What is the meaning of this main power line? Now look at this is a symbol straight line with a black circle. These main power line they collect the electricity from the hydroelectricity project or thermal power plant and from there they bring it near the city, but these main power lines do not enter inside the city. So inside the city, what kind of power line is there? So inside the city, you have a smaller power line, which is like this. See this. And what is the symbol of that one? Straight line with a empty circle. Have you understood the differences?
Yes,
This is
Once
called
more, sir.
this is called unsurveyed pole. What is it called? Unsurveyed pole, which actually supplies electricity inside the city, whereas main power line collect electricity from power station and bring to the town. Have you understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any query?
No, sir.
Next. Now, please look at this word sluice. Do you notice one word is written sluice?
yes, sir.
Yeah. Now there is a dam wall, and near this dam wall, the word is written sluice. Look at this picture. Do you notice a gate here?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this gate will be used for controlling the flow of water. That gate is called as a sluice and it is a sliding gate. What kind of gate word I used? Sliding. Look at this. This gate can be taken up, can be taken down. So such a gate which is a sliding gate is known as sluice. Now, another one absolutely important. Look at a dam called Dantiwada, and from dam, do you notice here a long line, blue color?
Yes, sir.
This line is called as perennial canal. What is written here? Perennial canal. Now everybody listen very carefully. The description that I am giving you now, absolutely important. Okay, please listen carefully. Imagine this is a river and in this river water is flowing. Suppose this is water is flowing and I want the water to be stopped, so we construct here a dam. So after a dam is constructed, definitely water will get collected here and then this dam will have a sluice. Sluice matlab gate. When this sluice will be opened, the water will flow from here and it will be taken from this dam to far away places. This is called as a canal. This long, what is it called as? Canal. Now this canal is a huge structure. I repeat, it is a huge structure. And how does it look? Now look at this canal. This is actual picture of a canal. See this. Now my question to you, how water will be supplied from this canal to the farms which are here? Possible or not possible? How
Not
they will,
possible, sir.
how will, how they will carry? You tell me. Is it possible to take or difficult?
No, difficult, sir.
Difficult. So what is the situation then? So in such a situation, we have a small canal. What word I used? Small canal. And that small canal looks like this. See this. Do you notice a very small canal here? See this. So what happens? Such a small canal. Now suppose your house is here. This is your house. Now the canal is flowing in this direction. So from this canal, they will take a small canal that will carry water from here. So such a small canal taken from a main canal is called as aqueduct. How many of you have understood this?
Understood, sir.
Have you understood what I said?
Yes, sir.
Pakka?
Yes, sir.
Huh? Now
Yes, sir.
we are going to observe something very amazing. Okay, please understand what I'm showing you now. What is the name of the dam?
Dantiwada Dam.
Dantewada. To the south of this dam, what is there? What is this?
Canal.
The
Canal.
canal.
From a canal or canal, do you see aqueducts are taken?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So, which river is this? Banas River. Okay. Now
Aqueduct.
we will actually see this everything. Who want to see this everything in reality?
Yes, sir. Sure.
Okay. Let us see. Do you notice dam wall?
Yes.
Do you notice
Yes,
actual
sir.
canal here? See this actual
Mm.
canal. See this.
Yes, sir.
And do you notice this sluice here? See this.
Yeah.
Yes.
See, so huge dam. This is river Banas, and you can see here the water is released from this dam here. Okay, I will show you another very interesting footage, and you will be happy to see that. I believe so. Okay, see this what I am doing now. What is written here?
Dantiwada Dam.
Dantewada Dam. Do you know this is a real Google Earth map? Which map is this? Google Earth map. Okay, we are going to watch it now. Carefully observe. See this Dantewada Dam, and this is a front view of the dam. See this. Okay, Do you see here river Banas?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
And
sir.
what do you think will be this?
Is the canal.
Canal.
So this is a canal. Correct answer. Okay. Now I want you to wait for a minute. Now this is a canal. Please remember, and we are going to now trace this canal. Look here. How many of you notice this canal is crossed here by a road? See this.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So in a map, how does it appear? See this canal. How many of you notice? See this yellow color road.
Yes, sir.
Did you notice road? See this
Yes.
canal
Yes.
being crossed by the road. Then canal will move further. There is another road. See this. We will see in a Google Earth map in reality now where it is gone. See this canal. We are going to continue with the canal here. See this another road crossing it. Chalo. Who will tell me what are you now looking at? See this.
So the aqueduct.
Aqueduct.
An
Absolutely
aqueduct.
correct. How many of you understood? See, from the main canal, a small arch water channel is taken. This is your aqueduct. Okay, we will continue with this. See this Google Earth map. This is another road crossing it. See water in the dam. Do you notice another aqueduct here? See this.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is how these map which are shown over here in reality appear. Okay. How many of you like this video plus Google Earth? Be honest.
Like this, sir.
Yes,
Which
sir.
one
It
you
is
like
nice.
more? The dam, actual dam you liked, or Google Earth you liked?
Drone shoot.
Google also.
Hmm. So all the teachers who are attending this class, okay, I will tell you how to search this. You have to go to Google Earth, okay, and after you go to Google Earth, see here it is written search Google Earth. So you have to write down here Dantewada Dam and you write down there Gujarat like this and click on it and see this, it will open. See this. Okay, so you can search any feature that you want in a map and you can actually search it. Okay, you can take a 3D view or you can take a 2D view and you can actually search it. So beautiful it is. Okay, now many of you come across a problem and I'm very sure especially teachers, they children keep on asking question, what is this and what is that, and then we find it sometimes difficult to explain. I'm showing you something. Look at this. This dam is there, but along with the dam, do you notice here this? See this line is there. See, do you notice this?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes.
sir.
Power line.
And then what is it? अब ये है क्या भाई? Now we understand
Wow.
this is the embankment, but what is this? So you can actually see this now in a map. See this. We are seeing now Google Earth where it is gone.
So is it a dam generating hydroelectric power?
No, no, this doesn't generate. Now look at this main dam wall. Do you notice this main dam wall?
Yes, sir.
And then it is continued here and see this inside this dam where inside this wall. Now look at the map, actual map where it is gone. Inside this wall, do you see agriculture
Yes, sir.
inside the wall? Now in reality, here also you can see here, see this
Hmm.
inside the wall, do you see agriculture being done? See this.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah. However, when the river will be full of water, then people will live. But when the water will recede, the people can go and they can carry out agriculture over there. See this. Okay, so this is actual. Now see this. So this is okay. This is real footage. So I personally liked it very much. So whenever you come across any problem in any topography map, any feature you are not understanding, you can actually write down that name and you can search for it. For example, now This is Sipu River and there is another dam. So we will write here Sipu River Dam in Gujarat. See this. They have actually taken you over there. See this. Do you notice? See this dam is. See, you start seeing here. See, one dam is here, and see, one dam is here. Next one is to the north. Now, see, in reality, this dam is here, and next one is to the north side. See, this one is here, Dantewada, and when I go to north of Dantewada, the dam on Sipu River. Now, see, in reality, see this. This is Dantewada. So, if I go to the north, here I will come across dam on river Sipu. I'm talking about this dam. See, do you see here it is written Sipu? See now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See this. You can go close and you can actually see this dam over here. See. Yeah, you can allow it to turn also like this and you can do the way you want to see. See. Sipu Reservoir Project. See this. And if I go to the south side, here is this Dantewada Dam. So in this way, this Google Earth will help you to understand many things very clearly. Okay. Now, how many of you are excited to find out your own place using a Google, not Google, using the topography map? How many are excited to know how your own place will appear?
Yeah.
We are, sir.
Who want to see your own place? Manju ma'am, you can see your Kalimpong also. Manju ma'am, you want to see Kalimpong, your own town? Yeah. I'll tell you idea how to go about it. Nilopar, you are there? Nilopar? So today Nilopar is not there. Okay. I live in Nasik town. We can even see Nasik. Okay. And I'm showing you now how we can do this. See, this is our group, dear teachers. And in our every group, if you see here, this is a description of our group. And in the description, I have put something which no one of you noticed. Look here. Link to download topo map of your region. Do you see it is written here? Do you see? Click on this.
Yeah.
Click on this and you can find out any region. Now this is India. Now suppose I want to find out about my Nasik, our Nasik city. So I will go to close to Nasik. So this is Nasik city here. Okay.
Sir, could you share this link in the group, sir?
See this. Do you notice? See my own town started seeing here in topographical form. See this. Nirmai. Hello.
Yes, sir.
निर्मई नाशिक पाहिलं होतं का बाळा कधी असं टोपो मॅप मध्ये?
नाही नाही
बघ
सर.
हे बघ हे आपलं नाशिक बघ इकडे. ओके.
येस सर.
आपण आता नाशिक बघू. हे बघ हे नाशिक. See, do you notice? See this.
येस
Here
येस
it has started appearing. So you have to keep on zooming like this.
येस.
See industrial area of our Nasik city. Look at this Goda. See Gangapur Dam. See Gangapur Canal. Look at the Gangapur Dam. See Nasardi Nadi near our city center. Nasardi Nadi. See
हा
it
हा
is also.
हा.
See this Nasardi. Then this Gangapur right bank canal. Then where so you can actually search like see our Nasik
So can
city.
you share this link?
Yeah, you have to send 5 rupees to me. Then I will give. Okay. Okay. How many are excited to find out your own area? Be honest.
We are all are.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes. Yes. All are excited. Okay. Yeah, I'm sharing immediately in the group. Okay. Where is our group?
Okay sir.
Yeah, which choice? See this. Okay. I have shared this link. Okay. And you can search any place. You can actually locate in your own house also. Okay, in this one, you can actually look at your own house. You need lot of patience. Okay, you can actually see your own house how it appears in topography map. Okay, yeah. Chalo. So see how to go about it, how to search. As I already given you idea. Suppose this is India. Shibu, you are from which place, beta? Shibu, Melvin, Melvin,
Hello, sir.
Melvin. You are from which place, beta?
I'm right now in Kerala, Kollam, sir. I'm
No,
Kerala,
your town,
Karnataka, Bengaluru.
Bengaluru. So see here, Bengaluru is also there. See, or if it is difficult to find, then you can actually type the name Bengaluru and you can search like this. Okay. See here, Pune cities. Where is Bengaluru? Bengaluru. The Mysore. Ha. See this Bengaluru, like this. So you can keep on zooming and zooming, and as you start zooming out, okay, you can actually start seeing the topography map. Anyway, chalo. Enough of this now. I hope the things are clear to you. Now look at this. Sometimes you will see the word siphon. Siphon is a bent pipe like this that supply water. We call it by the name siphon. Okay, now next one is sluice. Already done this. Okay, overhead tank. Very very simple. Look at this symbol. It is actual tank which is overhead. Stony waste. I already told you. Now look at this important word, rock outcrop. This word is interesting, rock outcrop. Listen everyone very carefully. Suppose this is India. Then there are the rocks. This is called as a bed rock or a parent rock. Sometimes this rock comes out of the surface like this. It is seen above the surface. So this part is called as rock outcrop. Is the point understood? Hello. Yeah.
Yes.
Look at this rock outcrop now. I am showing you in reality how it looks. Look here. This is that rock outcrop. Okay. This is also rock outcrop. Okay. Now, sometimes you will find the word written sheet rock. See this SHEET sheet. Sheet means layer. Now, do you see here rocks are found in layer? One layer, second layer, third layer, fourth layer, fifth layer. So, whenever the rocks are found like this in a layer, it is called as sheet rock. Now, look at certain words which I am showing you now. What is written here?
Rocky Knob.
Rocky knob. Rocky means which is made up of rock. Now what is a knob? Is what you call this name?
Doorknob.
This is a knob. What is this knob?
It's a
Now
doorknob.
please, this is a door knob, or I can simply say it is a knob. Now look at this rock. Does it look like a knob?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, and it is made up of rock. So wherever such a structure is found, we call it by the name what? Rocky
Rocky
knob.
knob.
So it is a protruding part of a rock. It is round part of a hill that looks like a knob. So it actually looks like knob. Therefore, it is called as rocky knob. Are you understanding? This is a very beautiful place for selfies, but very dangerous because you may collapse in the what valley. So better not to go very close by. Okay, rocky knob. Have you understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Then next one, sand dunes. I think I already explained these brown structures are sand dunes. Okay. Now we have come to absolutely important point. Now, please listen very very carefully. I said listen very carefully. Okay. Right now, actually, I just do one thing. Just take a 5 minute break. Okay. Just take a 5 minute break. I need to drink water. I'll drink water and I'll come back. You people can also take just a 5 minute break, please.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Uh, Let us now. Are you all back? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. How
Yes,
many of you
sir.
tried that app which I shared just now? Be
Yes,
honest.
sir. Yes,
Who
sir. I
tried?
tried. I sir. I tried, sir.
Yes. Believe me, you will enjoy it. Okay. You need to give yourself 30-minute time and you need to explore. Okay. And believe me, you will be actually able to see your own house. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And it's very interesting. Yeah. So when I was searching my own house, I felt so nice. Arey, wow, I can see my own house in topography map. Okay. But it required time, it required patience, and trust me, if you do this, you will study or you will understand topography even better. Okay. रुद्रांश तू गेले का रे ट्राय रुद्रांश
हो सर, गेले ट्राय.
गेले ट्राय ना हा तू कुठल्या एरियामध्ये राहतो बाळा हा तिथे झूम करत जायचं अँड यू कॅन
कोल्हापूर.
ऍक्च्युअली हा
हो
यू
सर.
कॅन yes you can actually see it's very nice. Okay, chalo. Now
येस
let
सर.
us go to the next. Now as I said, now we have come to absolutely important point. Now listen carefully. Suppose this is one hill. Notice on one side the slope is gentle, other side the slope is steep. Now on this hill, this place and this place are at equal altitude. This is also at equal altitude. This is also at equal altitude. So these brown lines which are joining the places of equal altitude, we call them by the name contour line. Let us say this line is at a height of 100 meter. Let us say this is lying at a distance of 120 meter, and this one is lying at a height of 140 meter. If you notice, there is a gap of 20 meter each. This gap, dear teachers, between the two contour lines is called as contour interval. I use the word contour interval. So contour interval is the distance between two consecutive contour lines and the value is 20 meter. Now listen absolutely carefully. this point which I am explaining right now. Okay, let us say I draw here one straight line. Okay, and from a top here I draw one straight line. Now what I do, I connect this 140-meter line top and this 140-meter line top. Okay, then I take this 120-meter line on the left and 120-meter line on the right. Then I will take this 100-meter line connecting with this 100-meter line. Now, if I join these last, now, see, this is 100-meter with 100-meter, connect them together. Now 120, now sorry, this is 140. Now this next line, connect them together. Now the next line again, connect them together. So I find here a structure which is looking like this. So when and what is there below this? So below this there is a hill. So when I see these circular lines like this, I call it by the name, I call it, now when these circular lines are circular lines, this represents a conical hill. How many of you understood this?
Understood, sir.
Yeah. Now
Understood.
interestingly, look here. Now if I take this contour line and compare with the next contour line, and if I go on the left side and compare the distance, now here the distance is more less, where the distance is more. When the distance is more between the contour line, so the slope here is gentle. But if the distance is less, come down here, then the slope is steep. How many of you understood this?
Understood, sir.
Understood, sir.
Okay, now
Yes, sir.
look at this. This is a very clear cut for picture. See this. The contour lines are close to each other, so the slope is steep. If the distance is more, the slope is gentle. Now, this distance between two contour line index is called as contour interval. Now, please understand here something very interesting. How many of you notice these contour lines are drawn? 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth line is darker. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth line is darker. So, every fifth line, so if every fifth line, that means 5 multiplied by 20 becomes 100. That means every 100th line will be drawn thick. For example, look at this. 300, 200, 100. We call such a thick lines by the name. Now look here carefully. I think that was not very clear. Look here. Look at this 380, 400, 420, 440, 460, 480. Out of this 400 is a prominent number. So any line which is indicating a prominent number, such a line, brown color line, will be a bold contour line. Bold. It will be thick. It will be bold. Such a bold contour line is called as index contour. Is the point understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now look here in some interesting points more. Now, what will be this?
A conical hill.
Conical hill. Okay. Now, so this one will be seen somewhat like this. Okay, correct? Now, suppose here is another conical hill. So how will I draw this? How will I draw this? So again, it is a conical hill. But suppose these conical hills are connected to each other like this. Then what will happen? So then I will draw here the structure, and because these two conical hills are connected, I will draw a picture like this. How many of you understood?
Understood.
Understood, sir.
This structure is called by the name saddle. What we call it? Saddle. I am going to show you now a saddle. See everyone carefully. How many people found here close to each other?
Yes, sir.
God, sir.
Yes, sir.
However, if it is elongated structure, small elongated structure, it will be a plateau. And if it is a very long elongated structure like this, very long, then it will be known as a ridge, R-I-D-G-E, ridge. What structure is denoted by this here?
So a mountain or a plateau.
No.
So it's a conical hill but very steep
Do you
slopes.
notice these lines are circular in shape, most of them?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, please understand the difference. Now, please understand. A plateau will be elongated like this, whereas conical hills be like this, almost circular. So therefore, the structure here is this one. This one is conical hill. I hope the point is clear.
Yes, sir.
Zainab ma'am, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, you had this query, no?
Yes, sir. Now, I need. Is ridge and an escarpment same? It's one and the same, or it's different?
No, 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 no. Escarpment and ridge are not same. Listen very carefully.
Yes, sir.
Now, when I look at this hill, do you notice this is absolutely steep
Sir.
this
Yes.
side? So if I draw here a contour line, okay, suppose I connect these two, connect these two, connect these two, and I take this dotted line up. So here it becomes a circular line like this. And I take this second line up and this second line up. Do you notice they are almost touching one another on the right hand side? See this third line here and this third line over here. Did you notice on the right hand side contour lines are almost touching one another?
Yes, sir.
This is called by the name ridge.
Okay.
This is actual ridge. Ridge means where the contour lines are actually sticking to
Each
each other.
other.
Now another important thing, please understand what I tell you now. This is somewhat conical in shape. This is also conical in shape. What do you think will be the difference between these two?
Height difference.
Very good. This will be a small hill. This one will be a big hill.
Yeah, one is a hillock and one is a mountain.
Remember now something interesting. Look at this picture. If you find the number, see this 233. Here number is 301. Here number is 542. If the number is less than 300, then it is called as hillock. Hillock. Either you call it by the name hillock or it is called as knoll. If it is more than 300 up to 600, we call it by the name hill. If it is more than 600, we call it by the name mountain. Have you understood all these differences?
First one once.
Yeah, look at this. This is what do you think? It will be a array yaar. Now we'll have to search that one. Huh. Who will tell me what is this? This is a picture of what? This one?
Hillock.
Hill.
It's an all.
No, it is not hill. It is a small hill. So it is a
Knoll.
hillock or knoll. Okay. Now, what will be this?
That's a mountain.
Mountain.
Not a mountain. Okay. It's a hill.
It's a
Oh, it's a
hill.
hill.
Why I'm
Okay.
saying it's not a mountain? Now see, this will be a mountain. Now you can call this as a
Okay,
mountain.
okay.
quite huge.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, it looks like a mountain. Yeah, you can say these are the hills, maybe a mountain. Okay, but mountains are very huge. This is superb example of a mountain. Now, look here. What kind of area do you think is this? What kind of landform will be here?
Hilly
This is a
regions.
hilly region.
Mountains.
Wrong
Hilly
answer.
region.
Wrong answer.
Mountainous region, sir.
Mountainous region. Why I am saying mountainous?
Yeah,
Sir,
because the
because
height of
It's more
the
than
spot height
1,000.
there is
Height is more. Height
1425.
is more.
The 1045,
Yeah,
133. This is
1426. Yeah.
1400. So this is a very high altitude. I hope the points are clear. Okay.
Yes, sir.
These
Yes.
two connected things is called as a saddle. Why it is called as a saddle? Look here. This structure which is kept on a horse back is called as a saddle. So its shape is like these two hills up here. See this? That is why it is called saddle. Understood these points?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
Sir,
look at,
both saddle and pass are same, sir.
no, saddle is pass is very. See the difference. Look here carefully. Okay, this will be a saddle. Now, how the pass will appear? Please listen now. See, these are the hills. Here are also hills. Okay, but here the steepness is very high, like this. It's very deep, like this. Understood?
So what is
Yes,
a
sir.
coal then?
Huh?
Coal.
See, do you
COL.
notice this is very close to each other, almost touching,
Yeah.
almost
Yes, sir.
touching, almost touching. Okay, then you will call it by the pass. Now, something. Now, this is what? This is a saddle.
Saddle.
If it is deeper than saddle, slightly deeper, not very much, slightly deeper. Now you will call it by the name coal, but it
Okay.
is very deep. Then you will call it by the name pass. Now,
Okay.
if you look at a pass, look here. Do you notice so much? See how deep it is. Do you notice?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now,
Sir, people actually travel only through the pass, not through the saddle, right?
no. How saddle? It will be very difficult to travel. Now,
Yeah,
you,
that's what.
yeah, you look at this. Now, you tell me how you will. Now, here is a saddle. How you will travel through this saddle? Tell me this.
Hmm.
Huh? Is it possible? This is also
That
saddle
is what
here. See,
people pass only through the passes, not through the
yes,
saddle.
yes.
Hmm.
Passes because as I told you, it's very deep. So
Height.
these contour lines are almost meeting. That means it's a very deep part in a mountain. That means it is easy to pass through that. Understood?
Um,
Okay.
Excuse me, sir. I had a query. Just
Yes.
a minute ago, you were explaining about ridges, and you said that the contour lines merge, and then that's a ridge.
Hmm.
So then, what's a cliff, sir?
Clip and reach beta. Okay. Now look here. When you are talking about a very long mountain, what I said, very long mountain. Okay, wait, I think instead of that, I'll show you a picture. Look here. Do you notice here this line moving very long? I use the word long. Do you remember? Hello?
Yes, yes.
I,
Yes, sir.
I
Yes, sir.
see I showed this one and I said it is very long. Do you notice this long structure? Okay. Now look at this picture. Do you notice this long structure? See this moving. Are you noticing this?
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
This one will be the ridge. So this ridge will actually appear somewhat like this. You have to look at me. Okay.
So,
Yeah, and the path which is on a top of this straight path on a top of that path will be known as a ridge. Understood?
Yes, sir.
In case of a cliff, how the cliff will appear? Now see this picture.
But how would it be shown on the
it's
topographic
like
map
a
as a
dip.
ridge?
No, no, no. There are hardly any cliff in a topography map that we are having. Okay, we don't have such a structure in our. Yeah. Now, no, no, not necessarily. See, it is edge of a mountain. Now look here, or you
Yeah.
look at this. Do you notice? It's a very steep slope. See this.
Yes, it's like a
Yeah.
dip. Yeah.
Yes. So it will be known as a cliff. Now look at this. It's a very straight one like this, where the contour lines will merge. That's why I said, okay, that will be a cliff. See here, somebody standing here. So it is very straight one. That is called as a cliff. Understood?
So, sir, then when the contour lines merge, that's a cliff.
Yes. But when they are elongated in shape, very long elongated line, very long, then you will call it by the name ridge. Understood?
Sir, could you show us once, show me once how the ridge
What you
would
want
look
to
on
see?
the ridge on the topographic map? I couldn't see it.
See this very long one. Do you notice? See this. See this very long. That is a ridge. Okay,
Yes, sir.
very long one. See this. Okay, in our topography map, we don't have a cliff. I didn't find cliff anywhere. Okay, we may have to search in, but to be very frank, we may have to search in Mount Abu map. But to be very frank, I did not find it anywhere. Okay, if I find, I will definitely share that one tomorrow with you. Okay, anyway, so now last 2 minutes are remaining. Tomorrow our topography will finish. I repeat, tomorrow our entire topography will finish. Day after tomorrow, I will be taking your tests. I'll explain how to solve a paper on topo sheets. Okay, so we will be solving at least 7 to 8 papers. Besides that, those who are not aware, please listen very carefully. I'm showing you something again. These are already being shared with you. If you are not seen, see them carefully. Name of the file is this: topo sheets made by me for CC. CC means crash course. Okay, now if you see here, these are those topo sheets. Okay, and for example, this is a topo sheet number 1. And here are the questions. Give 4-figure grid reference of lime kiln and aqueduct. So here you find the answers also. So you can search here, you can find answers. So every topo sheet I have prepared 10 questions. And now this is topo sheet number 2. These are the questions, these are the answers. Topo sheet 3, questions and answers. So like this, we will be doing some practice. We will finish tomorrow, and most probably we will start practicing tomorrow itself.
So
Tomorrow
did you
in
send
the,
this?
yeah,
Sir, sorry to interrupt.
Sunday
Sir, what is
tomorrow, we
gradient?
will be having the class at the same time. Yes,
Sir, what is gradient?
gradient is out of syllabus, so please do not worry about it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Thank you.
Yeah, it is, see, gradient, bearing, these things are not part of syllabus, so not to even waste any time in thinking about them. Next query.
Sir,
Sir,
have you sent that file on the group, on the WhatsApp group? What you just showed us about the topo sheets, the questions?
No, I did not understand.
So the file that you showed us with the questions on the topo sheets.
Acha, acha, yeah, you joined late, so you don't have. I will
Yes.
share again, don't worry. Okay?
Okay. Thank you,
Yeah.
sir.
Otherwise, I will
Thank you.
share personally with you, don't worry. Okay?
Okay. Thank you so much.
what are you likely to do in topo, sir?
This point is, see, that right bank, left bank, I have not done so far, because in order to understand that, you have to understand the altitude. And we have not done altitude so far. As I said, We will be doing the remaining part of the topography tomorrow. So tomorrow everything is going to get over. That time I will right bank and left bank. Yeah.
Okay,
Sir,
sir.
I
Thank
have
you.
a query. Sir, what is the difference then between an escarpment and a ridge? Ridge is long,
Hmm.
so is an escarpment a ridge?
Yes. See, I will explain about that one tomorrow. Okay.
And last question, sir, what are these hashers? They also are dotted,
Again,
right?
yeah, these no, they are not hashers. We call them by the name hacure. Okay. Now,
Okay.
wait, I will show you. Look here. Do you notice this?
Yes, yes.
These are called hacures. What we call them?
IQ.
Hacures. Yeah.
Okay.
Now these hacures are helpful to show us the steepness of some area. What word I used?
Steepness.
Steepness of area. Steepness. Okay. How the contour lines show the steepness? So contour lines show the steepness of entire mountain, but the hacures show the steepness of a particular area on a mountain. For example, this is a mountain, okay, and all of a sudden it's very deep over here, and the remaining mountain is again having a gentle slope. So here it has become very deep. This, na? Here the steepness has all of a sudden increased, and
Hmm.
later on again it has become gentle.
Hmm.
So this steepness is shown with the brown color lines. If these brown color lines are at a distance from each other, it is a gentle slope. If they are very close to each other, it shows the greater steepness. Okay, so when I look here in this map, now look at these hacures here and look hacures here.
Hmm.
So which one will have a greater steepness, left or the right one? Huh?
Left will be steeper.
Left one. Understood this?
So, sir, then they show the steepness of a particular point or place.
Particular point, yes. That means in this hilly area, now this is entire hilly area, no, this is all hilly area. But
Hmm.
in this hilly area, if in a particular area over here, how much is the steepness or how much is the steepness, that is shown by the lines we call by the name hacures. Understood?
Yes, sir, thank you.
Yeah.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes. Hmm.
Sir, can we call a canal on a topography map as a river?
No. Wait. Okay. What is this, beta?
A canal.
No.
No,
What is
okay,
this?
Banas River.
Banas River.
Banas River.
So inside Banas River, do you see the blue line?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
If the blue line is inside the river, it is called as water channel. What we call it? Water channel. So this is a river. For example,
Canal.
this is a sediment in the river. These black dots are sediment, and inside this there is a blue line. So when the blue line is inside the river, we call it by the name water channel. Understood, beta?
Yes, sir.
But if this blue line is outside the river, now look here. Now, this upper blue line is inside the river, lower blue line outside the river. Do you notice outside the river?
Yes, sir.
So this is a canal. But when it is inside the river, it is a water channel.
Line outside.
Okay, sir.
Understood?
Thank you. Yes, sir.
But I showed you that Dantewada Dam some time back, no?
Yes, sir.
I think, wait. Look here. Do you notice water flowing inside the river?
Yes, sir.
This is water channel. But now here also water flowing. See this? This is outside the river. This is canal. Understood the difference?
Yes, sir.
Ah. Any other query?
No, sir. It's clear.
Okay. Chalo then everyone, good night and explore that map which I shared with you link. Okay. Search for your own area. Okay. Chalo. Bye bye.
Good
You
night.
can
Thank you,
find out
Madam.
the
Bye, sir.
entire
Good night,
Good
sir.
night, sir. Thank
Bye.
you.
entire world can be searched from there.